Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to keep your fish tank clean without any siphoning, no rocks, no pebble, only using an outside canister filter. Right now I'm going to show you what I have. I have a 150-gallon fish tank with a wave jet maker. Now I turn off the wave jet makers when I'm going to feed the fish. As you can see, I have about 3 of those on top and 1 on the bottom. When I'm feeding the fish, they can eat all the food that they want without being disturbed. When they finish eating and pooping, whatever's left over is on the bottom of the fish tank. And what I have is between inside those rocks, I have a tube. That tube sucks all the poop into an outside filter canister. All the poop comes in here, gets filtered, and all the clean water comes out here and goes back into the tank. I'm going to demonstrate how it works. They've already eaten, they've already pooped. I'm going to turn the jets on. Okay, my jets are now on. They're pushing all the waste, all the uneaten food to the other side of the fish tank. As you can see, it's in a downward position. So anything on the bottom gets pushed all the way across into the rock. Now I'm going to turn on the canister filter. Okay, now the canister filter is pumping, and anything that gets pushed underneath the rock gets sucked in to the tube. Watch as anything that goes under the rocks gets sucked in. All the poop, all the wasted food gets pushed in all the way underneath the rock. So make sure you don't have any little tiny fishes, because they will get sucked in. So I never have to use a siphon because I don't have any rocks and I don't have any pebbles. This is the easiest way to keep your fish tank clean, and you only have to do water changes once every month and a half or every 2 months. That jet on the bottom is also pushing anything on the bottom, keeping my fish tank clean, keeping the bottom clean. It keeps everything clean. Your fishes will be a lot healthier and they live longer. So again, let me show you. I got jets on the other side, jets in the middle, jets on this side. Everything is pushing all the poop, all the wasted uneaten food to the other side of the fish tank. The outside filter you can get at eBay for about 35 bucks. Comes from China. And what I recommend is, when you get it, remove this little pump that comes with it. This little water pump has no power. It's connected right here. What you do is you're going to remove it. Remove this little pump because it has no power. What you do is you're going to buy a submersible pump, a 350 or a 450 or 500, whatever you want to use. and you're going to connect this nipple that you get at Home Depot, connect to a tubing that you get at Home Depot, and you're going to connect it to this nipple. All these pieces you can get at the Home Depot plumbing section. And you're going to connect this tube back into the fish tank. So everything, all the poop and all the wasted food is being sucked in right here into the filter. You have a valve if you need to shut it off or not. So all that wasted food and poop goes right in here. You got 3 filters, a black one, a yellow one, and a blue one. So once a week, you can clean it out, real simple. But while it's being sucked in, all the clean water is being sucked out back into the tank. There you have it. No more siphoning, no more dirty mess. Real simple. This other pump that I have here, the blue one, that's to pump out the water. It's a submersible water pump. You can also get that on eBay. I believe I got this one for 23 bucks. It's 550 gallons per hour. I can pump out 150 gallons in about 30 minutes. This tube that pumps out all the water, I connect it to an outside hose. It pumps all the water out to my garden. Then all the clean water I get from here. I pump the clean water in here and back into the tank. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. You see how clean the fish tank is? No more poop, no more wasted food. Clean water all the time. And my fishes have been here for about 5 years. None of them have died. I've always kept it clean. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. Bye.